Okay, this time I will show you the BLUEO 3D Nano Self Repair Screen Protector for Samsung S10. This is the phone we just get it today. First step, to clean the screen. And then you will pick up the sticker on this installation tool. Use this side, the top side, to plug in the charge hole. You can push it to make sure it's steady enough. Before you reinstallation this firm, clean it again to make sure no dust. This is the important thing for a perfect screen. Okay, this is our screen protector. Rip out this little air and install this firm in this machine. Okay, ready for it. Push it steady. And then we lift this put the plug aside and make sure the edge is full covered. Pick up the top side, and you can see we already installed this firm on it, and the edge is still some bubble on it. So you can use your finger to make sure the edge is attached to the screen. Okay, we install it, and now I will clean this firm. This is BLUEO 3D Nano Self Repair Screen Protector for Samsung S10.